What's up, tubers? Welcome back to the channel. No, it's not another unboxing. This is a group build announcement. I was looking on the YouTubes, and Leon over at Model Car 1589 had a video about his celebration, birthday, and 500 subs, and is announcing a group build. I'm a little bit behind the curve on this one because it's it'll take a minute to get to where he talks about the actual build. I think it's down here somewhere. I emailed him and asked, and there's no deadline. It's just a lowrider. Basically, just build lowrider and post it. So this was part of a lot buy. I just purchased 6 or 7 kits for like 60 bucks. A bunch of NASCAR stuff, but this was one of them. It was the main reason I went after the sale, to tell you the truth. And you can see it says body painted. Let me see here. I've got, yeah, there's some, that's not my writing. This is my chicken scratch writing, and there's what was on the box. So that's not me. I did not paint this. It's not something that was in my stash, my entry, and you can see it has been started, but not much. All he did was paint the body and a couple other parts, like the seats and what else was there? The dashboard. So those will probably get stripped and restarted, and the body itself, it's not bad, but it's got some orange peel and some bumps and stuff. I'm probably going to do is strip and sand this down. It will not be this color for the video, or for the group build. Don't know when I'll finish it, but like I said in Leon's video, he didn't say when the deadline was, so whatever, doesn't matter. I usually finish them pretty quick anyways. The couple reasons I was after this kit, I knew that it's got the hydraulic stuff, it's got some battery sets and some dumps or pumps, whatever, dumps in your pump. And it's also got, I mean, it's got the cool baskets, but it has a different setups for different stance. You can make it, you can make it raised in the front, raised in the rear, or you can actually give it the 3-wheel motion, from what I understand. So this will take a little bit of custom. I'm gonna cut the trunk open and repaint it, do some other stuff, but there it is. That's my entry into Leon at Model Car 1589 Lowrider build off. Cool. See you in the next one.